everyone, and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, but the floors, if you've watched my channel for long, you know that we had a pipe burst earlier in the summer, and the floors are in the process of being redone. So we've been relocated out of the house into our ranch house, and I just really haven't had the ability to do any crafting. So, but there's been some fabulous releases lately, and I've gotten a couple of things in. And of course, if you follow Simon Says Stamp, you know all about Stamptember and all the wonderful things that are released during the month of September. And a lot of them are exclusives, and so if you see something you like, you should grab it, because when it's gone, it's gone. And also, they just released two Halloween exclusive kits, and one's a more cutesy one, and then one's a more creepy one that's got a lot of Tim Holtz stuff in it. I will link down below to the kit page so you can look at all the kits. The October kit has been released. It's beautiful. And I will also link to the Stamptember page. And I'm going to link to the Honeybee Stamp most recent released products, because they have some fabulous stuff in there. I've gotten a couple of things in. I've got some more things on the way, and then two more things that I am waiting for them to come back in stock. Those are just their regular release. It's not the Stamptember release, so they will come back into stock. So with this first little order I got, they sent me this cute little Stamptember pen, because it is the 10th anniversary of Stamptember, and it's a darling enamel pen. Simon has put out a whole line of enamel pens recently, and they're all so cute. I'll link to their enamel pens below too, because they're really, really cute. Okay, so for the Honeybee fall stuff, I got this fall stamp set. It's just entitled Fall, and the matching fall die. So you've got the word, and then the outline, and then the bubble outline that has the stitching in it. So you can do 3 different layers. So that's really cool. And then I got the pumpkin patch stencil. There's also pumpkin patch stamp set and pumpkin patch dies. I'm wanting to get the stamp set. And then there's also a stamp set called Jack of something. Anyway, it is to stamp faces into your pumpkins, and so I'm waiting for it to come back into stock too. But they also have this like really cool house, and I've got that on an order coming, and where you can make an A2 size house and decorate it. And they recently did an add-on for Halloween, so and I've got that on order too. That's coming, and so I'm sure there will be an add-on for Christmas, so keep a watch out. Okay, so one of the Stamptember things I have that have come in is the Brutus Monroe one, and this is called Autumn Greetings, and it is this fabulous snow globe, and this set has the die in it. I think the one without the die is sold out already. But you've got this pretty winter scene with a tree and a snowman, and you got season's greetings and Merry Christmas that you can put here on your snow globe. You've got this cute little Halloween scene with the tree and fence and tombstones and the house and the big moon and some bats and a jack-o'-lantern. It says Happy Halloween, trick or treat, happy haunting. And then you've got this great autumn scene with these blustery trees and a barn and this old truck and tons of pumpkins in the back of the truck and it all in front of the truck. And you've got Autumn Greetings and Pumpkin Patch. So a great set. You can see that is a pretty big, good size. That will take center stage on the front of an A2 size card. You can also on A7 size card too. I think it would just be gorgeous. So that's what I have for you today. I'm going to have all that other stuff linked down below. I'm also going to link the Stamptember page so you can see where to get this and the other Stamptember items that are still available, and there's still more items to be released. And the one I'm most waiting on is the Tim Holtz one, and it'll probably be last. But anyway, you can keep an eye on that Stamptember page that sends you the link for, and see the new things as they get released every day. I think it's just about every day or every other day, something like that. But anyway, that'll be it for now. I hope to have my craft room set up by the end of next week, and I can get back to actually making things. But that's all for now. We'll see you again soon in the next video.